Welcome to Unit4 PSA Approval Management. As you can see, we have started in the Project Manager Approval part of PSA, where we are now finding our specific project that we need to approve the time for. And you can directly see with these time entries on the left that on the right I've exceeded my budget. The budget line is the gray line and the blue line is everything that I booked. Now I can see and review this information. I can directly review the information that I have a lunch with John, it's booked by Bas. We can't bill it as a partner. So I can see if I scroll to the right the amount of time and the hours to invoice. So we're not going to invoice any of these hours. So we put these hours on hold because maybe we want to decide later. At this stage we're not going to bill it. You can see that the other hours are here to either adjust or to approve or reallocate. Now, the preparation for our meeting is some time that we can allocate to a next phase, the planning meeting with the client. There's already some pre-work that we did. So by selecting these lines, I can change the item in my engagement. So I'm now navigating and moving these hours towards a second line entry. We're going to apply these hours into the next phase, still utilizing a bit of the budget. So for this example, we're going to approve this time. And you can see it indicates green what we approve on. Now if we agree on this time that we need to push it towards the next phase, that's the administrative approval, the project manager is done for his work. He can now approve the hours and they're available for the next in line. For the project manager, his next project will pop up to approve. Now we navigate to Admin Approval Report. Within Admin Approval Report, we're able to review a specific booking period and the time that's booked into the system. When we gather the information, we see the production analysis of our resources. Resources that need to book certain amount of time, that has booked certain amount of time, and still need to book certain amount of time. And if they might have posted the time card if that's activated. For this resource, you see that it's 61% on external projects, 39% for this week on leave. The years to date will show you 5% of leave on total, 95% on production. So when we recap what we saw, we have approved as a project manager time booked on the project. We reallocated time within the project to other budget line items. And we even excluded line items for billing. After that we went to Administrative Report, where we can see the hours that are booked within this time frame, the booking period, or the years to date, giving you a total overview of your resources and their time entries into the system. This concludes the introduction video of approval management.